Aliya Dombake, Alhamdulillah, Chairman. Brikama West Coast Region, Allah Chairman of Fele, Yankuba Darboe, Miyal Kumandi Jambi, Purungananga Fireworks Jet. First time in the history of Brikama Area Council and West Coast Region, being a Minje is history, Ndolbe Dabe history Konole. We can explain to our children, our 4 children, the first ever fireworks make it at Brikama Area Council. Chairman Darboe.
3. Thank you very much, MC Alioufal.
5.
Thank you very much to Home Digital FM. And thank you very much to all the staffs at BAC. So, Mbadiwulu, Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year. So, I'm wishing everyone a prosperous and a wonderful 2025. And firstly, I want to thank everyone in the whole of West Coast for supporting us as chairman and the whole of Brikama Area Council. Solely, this is the beginning. We have a lot more to come. This year, we started our countdown into the new year and the fireworks. It was a start. I hope you all enjoy it. Yeah. Next year we hope to even have a bigger one, lot bigger than this one. And thank you for coming out. Thank you for gracing the occasion with us. As I said, next year we hope it will be lot bigger than this. The reason why we came up with this is because we've realized that Brikama, it's a very big town, and we want to turn it into a city within the next 10 or 15 years time. We have a lot to do to achieve that. And one of the things that we need to do is something like this, the social events like this. We've been having the 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏 and the 𝒂𝒄𝒄𝒏 ones, and they've been a great success. And the New Year and Christmas when we started this year, and we hope, already we believe it's a success, and hopefully next year's one will be a lot bigger. But this is very important in attaining that objective and goal of ours to turn Brikama into a city in the next 10, 15 years. And we can achieve it. Because previous years, a lot of us would have had to trek all the way to Senegambia in order to enjoy something like this. But next year, we want people from Senegambia to trek all the way down here in order to enjoy this moment with us. And we can do it. We thank you for the support that you have given us over the last 12 months. And we're going to count on it for the next 12 months. And we want everyone's support of Brikama Area Council to make us even more greater, to be able to serve you even more. And once again, let me translate that into Mandinka for the sake of everyone else. So, follow, Ngalbe Kontong Sang Kutola 2025. Kontanta 𝒂𝒄𝒄𝒏 kanyang programo organized dyan, because someone who can travel a long distance kada Senegambia mafon la pour kanyang sifa enjoy. Many of us bikatano dindungulu, we want it to be a family affair. Dimbayalina dindungulina isaje, they can also experience it. Atakele is something that they only have to see it on a TV screen. So next year or year after, lafta minna olumindi molmenu kada Senegambia ya foko Senegambia tabu kadia alngada Brikama jele kadia. That will be our greatest objective. Bari lafta molu be West Coast molu mume be tentulange jay for standing and supporting Brikama Area Council. Nyen santang anem flow mentamit. Santam flow nim karetang nim flow min kana kartan nim flow min minakam kana dun min kono. We will count on more of your support. Isaja, we can be able to do more of these events. So Mbalbe Tentula Mbaljaila. There is a lot more to come. Brikama Area Council, Nyato Tadrom, Pomata Ngautu Pomal. Mbalik Binul Binala this year, and then we hope to do more road work, and then to also transform our region, bring in more street lights, and a lot more development. So, on that note, I wish you Ngalbe, Kontong Sangokutola, Mbedwala Mobe, for Alasem Maben, the Jar Binyomala, Simayaba, Jata Kendeaba, and then Harje Frimba, Allah Barakabaka Biji.